Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start English unit number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Before we read, in 1997 an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US space shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So, this chapter is about Kalpana Chawla. She was in the mission of space for the second time, and this accident happened on the second journey. So, there was a news report. Here is the news report. Tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. The name of the space shuttle was Columbia, and it broke into flames, means there was fire. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flames as it streaked out taxis towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m., that is 1930 hours IST. IST stand for Indian Standard Time. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakhs feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So now we move on to the chapter. We shall read the chapter. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamt as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of space. It was enough that her parents allow her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After the Bachelor of Science degree in astronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off for the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, that is in Florida, and participated in a successful mission in the space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, that is in Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Married to flight instructor Jean P. Harrison. Beside being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as an pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. Applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program, she was first hired as the research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, "I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, If that's what you want to do, carry on. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making strong metals and fast computer chips, all for the price tag for about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television set in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes numerous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything, from biology to astrophysics to astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut." Her achievement is awe-inspiring. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get unto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." Adapted from Span, January-February 1998. So this is taken from the article which was covering January and February 1998. I hope, dear children, you have understood the chapter. Thank you for watching the video.